Hello students. Our topic today is gardening practices. Gardening practices, these are activities which we do in our gardens. Then we go here, this is our substrate containers that are available for innovative gardening. Then here we have our KIQ, key inquiry questions. The first key inquiry question: how can we grow crops where there is little space for gardening? Our second key inquiry question is: what are the suitable containers to be used for container gardening? Going back to our first question, which is how can we grow crops where there is little space for gardening? These are the things we can do. 1. Using suitable containers. 2. Raising containers on the walls. 3. Hanging containers on the balcony. If you check each statement, there is this word container, container, container. There are normal containers at home. You don't need to buy new containers, because in agriculture we are concerned with conservation of the environment. Second key inquiry question: what are the suitable containers to be used for container gardening? 1. Tires. I'm sure tires are available. Number 2. Plastic bottles. Number 3. Wooden bottles. Number 4. Buckets. Number 5. Small jerrycans. All these are locally available. Then here we have take home. 1. Collect containers for gardening practices. Collect container gardening. You need 1 or 2. Collect seeds or seedlings. Lastly, discuss with your parents the available space at home for your container garden. All the best.